NEET MDS 2027 Rotational MCQ System. If you keep changing strategies, you will keep delaying your rank. So here's one system, simple, repeatable and powerful. We will start with fixed daily pattern, rotating subjects, about 2000 MCQs every month, and that too only through YouTube. We follow our rotation system. What is that? Let's discuss. Every week you will study 3 subjects, but instead of finishing one and moving on, we rotate them daily. So your brain keeps revising automatically. So I will be starting with monthly plans. So for the month of April and May, we will be covering general anatomy, pedodontics and periodontics. Weekly rotation system. Each week follows this pattern. Day 1, first subject. Day 2, second subject. Day 3, third subject. Day 4, again first subject. Day 5, second subject. Day 6, third subject. And on day 7, there will be rapid revision on important need-based topics plus one mock test which will be NEET pattern covering all subjects, but major ones will be which is going on in class. For example, for the month of May, 60% will be pedo, perio and general anatomy, whereas 40% will be among rest all subjects. This will be a request to attempt it honestly so that you all know where all you stands. Results and answer key will be generated next Sunday evening. Content will be like long videos daily. Each day there will be 25 to 30 MCQ from one subject as per rotation, deep explanation, PYQ plus tricks, example Monday anatomy, Tuesday perio, Wednesday pedo. Shorts will be a game changer. There will be daily 3 to 5 shorts which include mixed subjects, rapid fire MCQs, image based questions, PYQ alerts. So even if student skips long video, they still revise. Now let's move to the index. Anatomy. Let's start with anatomy, which is very important for building concepts. Osteology, cranial nerves, arteries and veins, glands, mouth, pharynx and larynx, tongue, muscles of head and neck, triangles of neck, and embryology. These topics are repeatedly asked in NEET MDS, especially cranial nerves and head and neck anatomy. Next comes periodontology, which is a scoring subject if done properly. Topics we will be covering here are gingiva, tooth supporting structures, periodontal microflora, defense mechanism of gingiva and host response, calculus and iatrogenic factors, gingivitis, gingival infections, periodontal pocket, bone loss patterns and trauma from occlusion, periodontitis both aggressive and progressive, instrumentation, plaque control, gingivectomy and curettage, flap and mucogingival surgery, furcation involvement and osseous surgery. Also we will cover small part of implants. Clinical based questions and image based MCQs are very common from these topics. Pedodontics. Now let's quickly cover pedodontics, which is often underrated but very important. Topics we will be covering here are child psychology, caries and restorative dentistry, traumatology, pediatric endodontics, disease of child, pediatric orthodontics and minor surgery. Focus more on clinical decision making and clinical based questions. Now let's move to execution of 2000 MCQ, like realistic breakdown, how we will follow. Long video, will be 25 to 30 MCQs. Shorts will contain 40 to 50 MCQs on daily basis. Therefore, daily total will be 70 to 80 MCQs. Monthly will reach around 2000 MCQs. Now let's move to test series strategy, which will be beginning soon. Test will follow same rotation logic. Early, subject-wise tests. Mid, 3 subject mixed tests. Final, full mocks. Schedule will be pre-informed for serious students. Why this format works best? This is powerful because students never feel lost. Clear daily target, built-in revision, and easy to stay consistent. And remember, consistency equal to rank. Now let's move to students rule. If you follow this, watch daily, attempt before answer, and note your mistakes, then even 2 hours per day is enough. No confusion, no overload, no wasted effort. Just one system repeated daily. Starting from 23rd April, stay consistent and your NEET MDS 2027 rank will follow. So this was your basic roadmap for these 3 subjects. Comment below which subject you want next and don't forget to subscribe for daily NEET MDS guidance.